Hello guys, down here from Dynamine. So today I'll be showing a review on how to. This is actually a Minecraft Box 0.40.0 Alpha Build 7 PC mod. So we'll get straight to it. So in this mod provides literally mostly everything what a PC has, and I will be showing the first thing is the wither. I do not want to spawn this because it will be pretty irritating, and this will go for the last. The ender pearl will be, we can throw the ender pearl and we can land in some mysterious place, I presume. So if I go down and down and down and down, and I throw the ender pearl, it should get us out. That got us out, see? So that's pretty much just needed. And the next thing is the ender dragon. These are the eggs which give you when you do it, I guess. And the sap and the carrot on a stick does not work, but the ender dragon does. The sounds are of the casts which are in the nether, and there is another cool feature which is not given, and the sea lanterns are a pretty cool feature too, which is just added in this series. So let's build a nether portal, because there is a pretty cool feature which just happened to happen. So if and in this nether you will not have no, I didn't want to go back. I wanted to go to the other side. Go. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. So that's it. If you spawn a skeleton in the nether, it forms a wither skeleton. So that's not what people know. So they carry, and sometimes spawns this is the wither skeleton. They have the wither kind of texture. So right now we go to the overworld, and this is known as a wither skeleton. These are the wither skeletons. So thank you guys. So guys, please like and subscribe. Goodbye.